Hello, in front of me I've got PS5, and in this video I'll tell you the answer to question: is PSVR2 wired? And the answer is that PSVR2 is partly wired. What it means? It means that the goggle itself has the very long wire that has to be connected to the console via USB-C port. But the controllers are not wired at all. You just have to simply plug them to console once when you are preparing for the PSVR2 setup. Then they are completely wireless. The only part of the PSVR2 which is wired is the goggle itself. They have to be connected all the time because they are not Bluetooth or Wi-Fi compatibility with the console. But no worries, the cable that connects to the console is very long, so I hope you won't have any problems while using it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.